Hi guys, hope you have done so well in the today's examination. So today I am going to share with you the analysis of today's question paper on corporate accounting. So in the today's question paper, majority of the questions are given from the CMA institute sources only, and there is a continuous practice that is followed in case of corporate accounting, that they are giving the question from the institute sources only in the past 3 attempts, and this time also they have given the questions from institute sources only. And from my point of view, so the paper was too easy, and all the questions are covered in the CMA Institute study material or MCQ bank only. So let us see what are the questions they have given and how where these questions are covered in the institute sources. So this time they have given only 5 MCQs in case of corporate accounting, and so MCQ 1, actually this is a basic MCQ, and it is already covered in the MCQ bank which is released by the CMA Institute. And MCQ 2, it is also, actually this question was given from the issue of shares chapter. So in issue of shares, we are having some introduction theory related to companies. So there you can find out this MCQ. And next one is the MCQ which is based on the buyback of securities. And this question is also covered in the MCQ bank. And this is also directly from the institute source only. So next question is related to definition of a current liability. And this is also the MCQ which is covered in the MCQ bank. So now whatever the MCQs we have discussed, all these MCQs are covered in the MCQ bank which is released by the CMA Institute. And next one, coming to the treatment of contingent liability, or what are the examples for contingent liabilities that they have given. So this MCQ is also covered in the MCQ bank. And next, the fifth MCQ is related to general insurance company. What are the financial statements which are not to be prepared by a not mandatory financial statements of a general insurance company. So this MCQ is there in the study material, and also this is also covered in the MCQ bank only. So simply those who have gone through the MCQ bank which is given by the CMA Institute, so all the MCQs are covered in the MCQ bank, and there is no MCQ which is framed by the institute. Framed MCQ is not given in the examination. All the MCQs are copy paste MCQs only. Okay. Next, coming to the descriptive questions what we are having. So the first question number 2A is related to issue of shares, issue, forfeiture and reissue of shares. So here they have given the question which is related to forfeiture of shares and reissue of shares. So already this kind of problem we are having in our masterminds material also. So similar kind of problems we are having in the CRD as well as in the assignment also. So this is a basic question only. So those who have gone through the treatment of forfeiture and reissue of shares, they can comfortably answer this question. And next one, coming to question number 2B. Actually this is a question which is given from redemption of debentures. So redemption of debentures. So actually these kind of questions we are not having in the CMA study material or even in the MTPs or MQPs also. But actually these questions are there in the old syllabus of CA Inter, and also in the CA Foundation syllabus, new syllabus, CA Foundation new syllabus, we are having this question directly in the CA Foundation study material. So from there they have given this question. But in the foundation study material, we are not having the treatment of this. So they are not asking about the journal entries, just they are asking number of shares to be issued and how much cash is to be given to the debenture holders. So this is the additional point which is newly added in this question. So except this question, remaining all other questions are covered from the institute sources only, and this is the only question they have given from the CA Foundation sources. And next, company final accounts are preparation of P&L and balance sheet as per Schedule 3 of the Companies Act. And here they have given a direct question, which is covered under the comprehensive numerical problems of the study material, and which is also covered in the CRD 1 of our masterminds material also. So it is a direct copy paste question only. Even the amounts are also not changed in this question. Next, coming to question number 4A, which is coming from the bank accounts. So actually a unexpected question was given from the bank account chapter. So here the banking company has given the loan. So at the time of giving the loan, they have taken some security, and how the loan amount is to be presented in the balance sheet based on the security what we have taken. So that these kind of problems already we are having in the CRD as well as in the assignment problems. So these models are covered in our masterminds material also. So I think this is covered in CRD number 9 and assignment 9 also. So those who have gone through the masterminds material can comfortably answer this question also. And next coming to CRD number 4B, which is from insurance company accounts. So which is based on the calculation of corrected life assurance fund. So certain adjustments we have to consider. So for the balance of the life assurance fund what they have given. So these kind of problems already we are having in our MM material, and also in the study material also we are having direct questions only. So this is also a copy paste question, just the numbers are changed in the examination problem. And this question number 5 deals with the Ind AS number 19, so which deals with the employee benefits, so which is also a direct question only. So this is covered even in the study material, and also we have covered this problem also in the MM material also. So this is given from employee benefits, that is Ind AS 19. Next one, so the last question is given from the cash flow statement, so under the indirect method. So actually this problem we have they are asking you to calculate only the cash flow from operating activities only, but in our material we have given the problem, so which includes the calculation of cash flow from operating, investing and financing activities. But here they are asking only a part of the question, that is calculation of cash flows from operating activities, and this is also a basic question only. And similar kind of problems are also covered in our masterminds material, and also these kind of problems are also there in the study material also. So overall, so my opinion on this paper is all the problems are given from the institute sources only, except that redemption of debentures problem. So hope you have done so well in the today's paper. So thank you.
So hello CMA students, myself Bhavram. I am a practicing chartered accountant and also faculty for auditing subject at CA Inter and CMA Inter level in Masterminds. So today I am before you to analyze the auditing paper, that is paper number 10B of December 2024 examination of CMA Inter. Okay, na? So overall, if I want to tell that normally the paper is easy, sir. It is not much difficult. And the best part is that they have given more weightage to MCQs from auditing part. Earlier normally they used to give out of 15 MCQs 7 or 8 MCQs from accounting and balance in auditing. Now they have increased, they have given in this examination approximately 10 MCQs from auditing part, and all the MCQs are mostly very easy. So as we have discussed in our one day before examination strategy also, that MCQs are very easy to score, sir, because you will get 100% of the marks. There is no scope for reduction of marks in MCQs part. Okay. So let us analyze the paper, sir. December 2024 examination, paper number 10B, that is auditing part, corporate accounting and auditing part. So auditing part starts from MCQ question number 6. So essay 600 deals in matters connected with. So normally I have told many times that normally definitely they will ask one essay number, sir, in examination, which is very common, repeated attempt by attempt. And the best part in this examination is that they have asked two standard numbers. So essay 600 deals in matters connected with, they have given 4 options using the work of another auditor, audit sampling, comparative information and related parties. And it is very easy, that is option number A, using the work of another auditor. Then next is question number 7. As per SQC 1, that is Standards on Quality Control 1, the audit working papers must be retained by the statutory auditor for a period of dash number of years. So even in class I have repeated many times that working papers are the property of the auditor, and the auditor has to maintain them for a period of 7 years. So we have to maintain those papers for a period of 7 years. So it is option number C, again an easy a bit to answer in the examination. So once you answer the right answer, you are getting 2 marks complete 100%. Then this is the most easiest bit, sir. Directly this bit was there in our CMA Inter material. Audit documentation is related to very simple essay 230 stands for audit documentation, that is option number B. They have given essay 300, essay 230, essay 250 and essay 310. So option number B, essay 230, that is audit documentation. Next is the cost auditor. A cost auditor submits his report along with reservation and observations in form number. Again, I have repeated many times in the class that there are 9 forms in a statutory audit chapter, and every attempt definitely they are going to ask one form. But here I am making a guess that some of the students might have confused and attempted wrongly. because you remember, if you remember properly, cost auditor submits his report to the board of directors, then board of directors will make certain changes, whatever the modification, what are the explanations they have to add, they will send it to the central government. So cost auditor will submit his report to board of directors in form number CRA 3, then board of directors will submit to the central government in CRA 4. But I guess some student might have made mistake in this MCQ, sir. Otherwise, right answer is option number C. Then MCQ number 10, which of the following is or benefits of the internal financial control? This is a question that has been taken converted into an MCQ. So what are the benefits of an internal financial control, sir? All the three benefits. So option is D, all of the above. So even in examination, sometime if you don't remember the exact answer, then if there is all of the above, most of the cases all of the above will be the answer. Okay, now this is not shortcut, but if you don't know the answer, then definitely go with all of the above. The statutory auditor apprehends a possible misstatement due to inadequate internal check system. Means there is some deficiency in internal control system. Means as a part of internal control, normally we have internal check system, and there are some weakness in internal check system or internal control system, then the risk associated is called as normally control risk, sir. If the controls are not there properly, then obviously there is a risk of material misstatement in the financial statement. In relation to advances made by bank, an auditor needs to review which of the following. So bank's major business is to give advances, and in case a bank has made a particular advance, as an auditor, what are the aspects you will be verifying? They have given option number A, scrutinize the subsidiary ledger and control accounts. Yes, we do it. Scrutinize the overdue account and scheme of recovery of such amount. Yes, if there are any debts overdue, we have to verify them. Ensure proper, yes, for every account we have to see that whether proper evidence and documentation is obtained. So option number D, all of the above. So again an easy MCQ. Then which of the following is not a part of temporary audit file? So in class we have discussed permanent audit file and temporary audit file. Permanent audit file means the things which doesn't change regularly. Temporary audit file, normally that year's related data is stored in temporary audit file. So correspondence relating to acceptance of annual reappointment, yes, this goes into temporary audit file. Audit program, yes, every year we have to make changes and have a separate audit program. Extracts of the minutes of the board meeting, yes, every year board meetings will be there, we have to obtain minutes of the board meeting, well as legal and organization structure of the company like memorandum or other things which doesn't change regularly. This is not a part of temporary audit file, this will be going into the permanent audit file. Which of the following is not a content of audit report, sir? So option C, that is recruitment of employees, is not a part of our audit, that is CORO. In CORO there are 21 points. I guess that this MCQ might also be wrongly attempted by students. So out of 10 MCQs, so one more MCQ. Then 15th MCQ, reappointment of company auditor is guided by section. So it is section 139 subsection 9. Most of the students might have find this MCQ as difficult because they have asked a particular subsection, sir. Otherwise out of 10 MCQs, 8 to 9 MCQs are very easy. Definitely you would have scored 18 or 16 marks very easily. Then coming to descriptive part, very easy questions are again. So again in guest questions also we have given this question. Describe the essential characteristics of a sound internal check system in risk assessment and internal controls chapter. What are the essential characteristics of a good internal check system? Easy question, definitely is you should have attempted that question. The next this question is repeated again and again, sir. Illustrate the provisions of Companies Act and SEBI regulations relating to applicability and conduct of secretarial audit. So for a certain companies satisfying certain criteria, secretarial audit is required and it has to be done by the company secretary in practice. Again easy question. Then state the difference between, I have been waiting for this question for so long, sir. Definitely finally they have asked this question. State the difference between audit report and audit certificate. Audit through report we express opinion, certificate is nothing but giving a absolute assurance. So there are certain difference point which you have to write. Then 7B question, they have left it open, sir. So explain in detail the role of a National Financial Reporting Authority. It is responsible for framing the standards and they are ensuring that these standards are complied. So we have to write this question. I think student might find a little bit difficult in this part. Then 8th question, again audit of different types of undertaking. Mr. A has been appointed as auditor of XYZ Cooperative Society for the financial year 23-24. Mr. A seeks your opinion in designing an elaborate plan for this assignment. Prepare and suggest a list of important steps to be taken by Mr. A in conducting. So he has to consider certain general points, audit of income, audit of expenditure. So all those points come again an easy questions. I think 8B is the most easiest questions. Are discuss the provisions of Companies Act regarding appointment of first auditor. So first auditor in case of government company, non-government company. In case of government company, by C&AG, if he fails, then board of directors, then members. In case of non-government company, board of directors has to appoint. If they fail, then members will appoint. Okay na? So very easy question paper. Okay na? Even after leaving, if you find any one question difficult also, you are having choice, easily you would have attempted all the questions. MCQs out of 20 marks, definitely you can score easily 16 marks, very easy sir. Then if you have read the material thoroughly, then definitely 20 out of 20 marks. So overall paper, it was easy sir, auditing, as far as auditing part is concerned. So even if you have not written the examination well, don't forget, don't bother it sir, just go through the video of short day before examination strategy for next subject, and do write that subject very well. Okay, all the best, thank you.